Confucianism from the 21st of the 8th month of 1446. Great learning formed a philosophical basis for politics and ritual. Doctrine of the mean established a way of virtue for every soul. The Analects expressed it in conversational. Mencius could be said to be the founder of Confucianism, albeit impersonal in its theism. Is the focus from the teacher or scholars in this school of thought? The classic of poetry provided centerpieces of ritual. The Book of Documents helps in understanding rulers. The Book of Rites is a chief guide of ancient ceremonials. The I Ching unveils and works out various symbols. The kingdom contemporary with Confucius is best known by the spring and autumnal annals. What came before was given an approach that was editorial. Representation of these 9 preserves a sense beyond the general. Harmony is still formed thereby between the spiritual, mental, practical, and social. Through effort and relations on all levels, each can work out the details. And a name for Confucianism is Ru, meaning a school of thought. Confucius, Kong Tse, Master Kong. And